Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions while keeping your wallet happy. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. We're talking about the Segotep 750W and the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W. Buckle up because this is going to be a shocking ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Segotep comes in at a cool $99, while the ARESGAME is a steal at just $59. Reviewers love the affordability of the ARESGAME, highlighting it as an outstanding performance for its price. Meanwhile, the Segotep, although pricier, is highly recommended for its quality and reliability, making it worth the extra bucks for those who can spend a bit more. Now, let's move on to efficiency. The Segotep boasts an 80+ gold certification, providing a whopping 91.8% efficiency at typical load, which reviewers confirm as excellent for high-performance components. Meanwhile, the ARESGAME has an 80+ bronze certification. Reviewers mention it as a good balance of performance and value, but it doesn't quite match the efficiency of the Segotep. Next, let's talk about cable management. The Segotep is fully modular, allowing you to use only the cables you need. Reviewers appreciate this feature as it simplifies installation and keeps things tidy. On the other hand, the ARESGAME is semi-modular, which some users find helpful, but others mention the excess cables can be a hassle to manage. Overall, the Segotep shines in this category. Cooling performance is next. The Segotep features a native 1.2 VHPWR cable for power-hungry GPUs, receiving praise for its quiet operation. Meanwhile, ARESGAME's durable 120mm fan is noted for being silent, but some reviewers recommend a more robust option for high-end setups. The Segotep is seen as superior for demanding performance. Finally, let's talk safety. The Segotep has serious protection features, which reviewers confirm keep their systems safe during power fluctuations. The ARESGAME also offers decent protection, but some users feel it might not be robust enough for the latest graphics cards. Overall, the Segotep is viewed as the safer bet. In summary, reviewers generally praise the Segotep 750W for its reliability, efficiency, and modular design, making it an excellent choice for serious gamers and PC builders. Conversely, the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W is favored for its affordability and decent performance, serving well for budget-conscious users. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for top-notch efficiency, modular design, and support for the latest graphics cards, the Segotep 750W is your best bet. But if you're on a budget and just need something that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the ARESGAME AGV Series 650W might be the way to go. Remember, power supplies may not be the most glamorous tech, but they're the unsung heroes of your setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.